All right, guys, what's up, man? It's Gil back with a how-to. Everyone keeps asking about fronts. Well, these are your front caps. I'm gonna show you guys how to take them off, but for right now, I'll show you what we're gonna do. Drill bits, and a 1/8 NPT thread maker, whatever you call this guy, and the fittings, and drill a hole all the way through and tap it. Pretty much what we're gonna do. I got the tool to remove the caps here. What I do is I put it upside down to hold it in place on and drill right through there, big enough to tap it. And all right, I'll show you the rest. There goes the first step. There's our hole right in the center. Now we're gonna go ahead and use a big old drill bit, then a tap. All right, so after you pretty much, this is a 3/8 drill bit. So I use a little pilot to center it. Use this to drill it out. And now right now I'm tapping it. And I'm gonna show you, so once you tap it, that's what it's gonna look like. This is the fitting threaded in. All right, here we go. And look, it's all the way threaded through. Now all you gotta do is grab one of these fittings and then put it in. It'll be right there. The cool part with that is, let me get this off. Still use this to install it and remove it. Forgot to tell you guys, take off the O-rings before you do anything. You don't want to damage those guys. All right, there goes my O-rings now. I'm gonna put them back, and then I'm gonna show you me installing them on the forks. All right, so now we're gonna reinstall the caps. I'll probably do a how-to on how to remove the caps and flip the forks and all that, but this is just a quick video of how we do front air. This is how I do it. I'm not trying to say it's perfect. I'm not trying to say it's the best way to do it. This is the way that I've been doing it for how many years. And yep, now we're just gonna install it. With that being said, man, I want to go ahead and say this should be for off-road use only. Off-road use only, all right? I don't want no one telling me that they crash and all that stuff. But it should be off-road use only for shows, bike shows, and all that. Just a disclaimer, so I'm not responsible for anything you guys do to your Morphous to change anything on it, all right? So we're just gonna go ahead and install this. Go ahead and use this tool right here that I have. And that's why I use the smaller fittings. There it is. Let me go do the other side and let's see how it works. All right, so I've got my air line hooked up because I don't have the compressor set up. So there's your front air suspension. Show you a quick breakdown. So there it is, fitting in there. See that bad boy. Next video, probably gonna show you guys about flipping the forks and installing the Brembo setup. But I'm getting hit up with a lot of questions on, how do you do your fronts? Well, here it is, guys.